welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to discuss most often problem women face, and this is full wardrobe but nothing to wear. So they have plenty of clothes and at the same time they are facing the problem. I have let's say an occasion I need to go, or I have just a simple walk but I don't know what to wear now, I don't know what to put on myself. So this is the problem many women have. I used to have same problem but not now, it was many years ago. Let's today look at those 3 main reasons why this happens. I will tell you those reasons, I will explain how to fix them, and I believe after this video many of you will stop having this problem, will be able to move, to shake their wardrobe a little bit and give a go to many pieces what you have. Let's not waste any minute, let's begin. Really first and common reason why many women face this problem with the full wardrobe and nothing to wear: you're buying your clothes with the eyes and not with the brain. Yeah, so what it actually means, buying with the eyes, it's when you see the piece of clothing, you put it in your basket. Online usually it is when you see it on a model and it looks cool, it looks cute because of the styling, because of the colors and prints you love. It's not because you clearly know that this piece of clothing will be part of your style, will be worn, and it's necessary because you are missing this type of clothes in your wardrobe. So here you clearly don't have wardrobe strategy, you don't have understanding of your own personal style, of what suits you and what not. Here you need to be really serious and ask yourself a question: are you a collector, someone who is collecting clothes, or you are someone who is wearing them? Most of people who have the problem with the full wardrobe and nothing to wear are the people who are collectors. This is like a hobby, but this is not healthy, I would say, hobby. This is more linked to compulsive shopping, obviously, and not understanding yourself. So yeah, so here you need to ask yourself a serious question: do you want to still be a collector of clothes, or you want to become one who's styling them, who wearing them, who are using all the clothes, most of your wardrobe at the full potential? If you are ready, then you need to keep watching this video, guys. If you are not ready, if you love your situation with the full wardrobe, with overloaded wardrobe, if you feel that you don't have problem, you love collecting clothes, then probably you need to quit this video. How to become a person who is wearing all the clothes, most of the clothes in your wardrobe. So first of all, you need to create a filter. You will be that filter, this will be in your brain, and this filter will have 3 questions. You will always need to answer these 3 questions. How many times a week I will wear this piece of clothing? If this is in neutral colors, if this is basic piece of clothing, you ask yourself how many times a week. If this is something really cool, standing out with the design, you asking a question: how many times during the 2 weeks I will be wearing this piece of clothing? Here, if it is an adequate, I would say, answer like 3 times a week or 3 times in a month, it's okay, you doing a tick here. If you are really seeing that this piece of clothing, this cool cute blouse, you can only wear in hot weather, or this is some kind of seasonal piece of clothing, obviously this is not a tick. Second question you are asking yourself: does this piece of clothing flatter my body proportion, my skin undertone, myself in general? So here you need to have some sort of basic information about yourself, what parts of body you rather highlight, what maybe little imperfections you have to height to correct your figure. So you need to clearly understand your figure, your body proportions, your body type. You need to be really wise, practical, and really honest with yourself here if this flatters you or not. If you see that the print colors working cool, design of this piece working cool with your current style, you tick. If you see that this would be a rather complex piece that would stay on a shelf, that would be probably requiring a little bit more understanding in the styling, you then don't tick. And finally, third question, this is really important, guys, you need to focus on this question. Do I have something in my wardrobe now that can replace this piece of clothing? Let's say, if you're about to buy really beautiful blouse, you need to understand how you're gonna style it, what you're gonna wear it with the trousers, jeans, skirts. You have to have clear image in your head how you're gonna wear it. If you see it, you say yourself, okay, can I replace this blouse with something else I already have? Maybe you have already shirt, maybe you have already blouse or 5 blouses, similar design, maybe not color, but design that already you can wear. And there is nothing wrong about wearing same piece of clothing you already wore a few times, many times, I don't know. If you cannot replace, if you clearly see this is really necessary element in your wardrobe, let's say you see that you don't have midi skirt in your wardrobe, and midi skirt would flatter your legs, your body type, your hips, and would work perfectly with your other clothes, you obviously tick, I need that midi skirt, let's say in chocolate or in brown. If you see that you have already midi skirt, maybe this is pencil skirt, and you're about to buy, let's say, A-line midi skirt, you asking yourself twice, why would I not wear this skirt that I already have with a shirt, with a jumper, with, I don't know, that blouse or another blouse? You really start becoming a really practical person who asks these questions. This is how you will start building your wardrobe strategy. This is how you will stop having full wardrobe overload with the clothes and nothing to wear. Here, guys, I can recommend you to watch 2 videos. How many clothes do I have to have in my wardrobe? Second video would be the 7-step model, the 7 questions you need to ask yourself to find your really individual personal style. They are really good, they are really helping understanding yourself, building your style, and don't have any problems with your wardrobe. I hope reason number 1 is clear. Let's move to reason number 2. So I don't like how this piece of clothing looks on me. Here can be because maybe your figure has changed, maybe because you just simply bought it and you see it looks on you not as on that model. Anyways, you don't like how this piece of clothing looks on you. You have 2 options how to fix that. Really, first, you are styling this piece of clothing, let's say this is a blouse, with something that you have in your wardrobe. It works for you, you love it, you wear it often. It can be, let's say, blazer, jumper, cardigan, trousers, or jeans. So you're pairing this in an outfit with something that you love, with something maybe basic, really neutral. Here you can watch the video where I talk about 8 essential basics every single woman has to have. Really quick video, really informative again. The first option, you are pairing this, you are styling with something that you feel comfortable, you like. Second option, if it doesn't work, if still you are pairing, let's say this is with a jean, your favorite, with a blazer, still you don't feel comfortable, you don't like it, you don't like the print color, anyways, you don't like it, you hate it, guys, then you have to get rid of it. We have plenty of shops, plenty of places that accept clothes. You can donate it, you can give it to charity, you can sell it, you can gift it. So please do it. Don't let it take the place in your wardrobe that other cool piece can take instead. Don't create stagnation in your wardrobe. Let that piece go. Maybe you spend couple hundreds, could be, maybe thousands, but you let it go, because anyways it doesn't bring you any good emotions. You don't feel positive about this piece of clothing, right guys? And finally, the really third reason why you have full wardrobe and nothing to wear: I don't know how to style this piece of clothing. I bought it, I like it, it looks cool on me, it is cool itself, but I don't know how to pair it in an outfit, how to style it. So here are two options. You use two formulas. Really, first formula, you put it in an outfit 50-50. What does it mean? Well, let's say again blouse, if this is really colorful, bright, or maybe some cool prints, I don't know, or some cool details, you put it in an outfit like 50-50. The blouse is bright, so the rest of your outfit has to be compensating this. So they have to be really neutral, really basic, or maybe something that complements that blouse in terms of color, in terms of print. Have to create a harmony. So you see, if this is bright, you are neutralizing this with something neutral, calm. Or another way, the second formula, you put it in an outfit like 30-70. So 30, it's your blouse, 70 would be your blazer, your jacket, and some kind of classic, really neutral staple skirt or jean, or again trousers. Yeah, so you are not making this as a big accent in your outfit, you are making slight accent. You are giving like a vibe. With that blouse, you are creating a mood. You are showing that flirty maybe mood, you are showing your personality, your maybe some kind of emotion you're feeling at this point of moment. Let me quickly talk why many women struggle with the clothes. Like, I don't know how to style it, I don't know how to put an outfit. Usually there are three categories of clothes that we don't know how to style. All three of them belong to one specific fashion style. Normally this is boho style, so this is all the blouses that are lightweight with the parsley, with kind of patchwork prints, so really much inspired boho clothes. Field trimmed blouses can be lightweight yet voluminous sleeves that don't hold shape, and this is really difficult to incorporate in sophisticated outfit. Next one style would be all clothes that belong to drama style, so this would be way too sexy, this would be with the cuts, this would be with some kind of zips maybe, so clothes that do have really strong sexy vibe, so something extravagant, I would say. These clothes is quite difficult to incorporate in normal classic casual outfit, so here you would need to neutralize with really neutral denim. Works perfectly with this kind of clothes. And finally, third style, so it is all the romantic clothes. What is romantic? Usually these are little floral, pink, red floral, so these are short voluminous sleeves, so these are maybe with draped dresses and blouses, so something that is way too feminine, I would say. So here again, neutralize to style it with really simple basic wardrobe essentials, staples, basics. Yeah, so I hope it makes sense. Now guys, if you don't know what are the staples, I highly recommend you to watch my video about 8 necessary wardrobe basics every woman has to have. Short, informative video, please watch it, you will only gain from that video. I hope you won't have that problem with the full wardrobe and nothing to wear, and I really wish you to be cool, to be stylish, and know yourself. Right guys, thank you for watching me today, and I hope to see you back, and thank you, and bye.